Hi everybody. In this particular video, we'll talk about the Excel's financial function, that is PDURATION. So during this entire video, we'll try to understand the definition of PDURATION function and how we can apply this particular function with the help of an example. So let's get started. So this is one of the financial function in Excel, and with the help of PDURATION function, we can calculate the number of periods required by an investment to reach a specific value. We'll try to understand what is the meaning of this particular definition with the help of an example. So I'm taking a hypothetical case where one of my friend who is having 6,50,000 rupees as a lump sum amount, and he is looking to buy a car, okay, worth of 10 lakh rupees. So this 6,50,000 rupees is the present value, and he's looking to buy a car of worth of 10 lakh rupees. Fine. So this 10 lakh rupees is the future value, because initially right now he's having 6,50,000 rupees and he's going to invest this particular amount in a safe instrument because he's a very risk averse person. So he thought of investing this particular amount in a bank where he is expecting a rate of return of 7.5% per annum. Okay. So this 10 lakh rupees is its future value, and he's going to buy a car with the help of this particular amount. Okay. So here our rate of interest is what? 7.5% per annum. So this is your R, and he just wanted to know that is there any formula or is there any tool in Excel where we can calculate that how much time period will it take for his investment of 6,50,000 rupees to reach 10 lakh rupees so that he can buy a car, okay, after a certain tenure. Then I said definitely we can calculate with the help of pre-duration function. Even we can calculate manually, because in our school days we have learned about the compound interest formula, where compound interest is equal to P into, within the parenthesis, 1 plus of R to the power of N. Okay, so we have a future value formula where future value into 1 plus of R to the power of N. So if you take the logarithmic function, you can arrive that N is equal to log of FV minus log PV divided by log of 1 plus R. So with the help of this particular formula also, you can calculate manually that how much time will it take for his investment of 6,50,000 rupees to grow 10 lakh rupees. Fine. But instead of going the manual route, we will apply this P duration function in Excel. So let's see how we can use this function to calculate the duration. So here we have a syntax of this particular formula, P duration function. So if you look into this particular syntax, it is P duration, within the parenthesis you have rate, comma PV, comma FV. So all these arguments, that is rate, present value, and FV, that is rate, PV, and FV, these are all required arguments. And all these arguments should be in positive. Okay. Now, look into this particular example. So our initial investment, that is present value, is 6,50,000 rupees. Our investment goal is what? 10 lakh rupees, so that my friend can buy a car. And the rate of interest per annum is 7.5%, and it is going to compound annually. So in this case, how much time will it take for his investment to of 6,50,000 rupees to grow to 10 lakh rupees? So we can apply the P duration function. Okay. So here it is asking rate. So our rate of interest is what? 7.5% per annum. So this is the constant rate of interest which is going to stay for the entire tenure, so that his investment can grow from 6.5 to 10 lakh rupees. And this rate of interest will be compounded annually. So this is your 7.5%, comma 6,50,000 rupees is your present value, that is cell number C4, comma, and this is your 10 lakh rupees, that is the future value, cell number C5. And if I'm going to press enter, so we are getting 5.96 here. So my friend who is investing 6,50,000 rupees in a bank where he is getting a rate of interest 7.5% per annum compounded annually, now it will take around 5.96 years for his investment to reach a goal of 10 lakh rupees. Now, instead of compounded annually, suppose it is compounded monthly. In that case, what will be the number of periods? So I'm going to use again the P duration function. So here our rate of interest is 7.5% per annum, but instead of compounded annually, it is compounded monthly. So I'm going to select this particular cell C6. Now I'm going to divide it by 12, because here compounding is taking place monthly. Okay. Now, comma, then we have to select this present value, comma. Now I'm going to select this future value, that is cell number C5. Now I'm going to press enter. So it will take around 69.14 months for his investment to reach 10 lakh rupees. Okay, if it is compounding monthly. So I hope to the end of this video. In the next video, I'm going to discuss about the NPER function. It is also a financial function. We will apply this NPER function in two different scenarios. Found this video really helpful? Please give it a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.